India, a land where agriculture has been a way of life for centuries, is witnessing a remarkable transformation. Traditional farming practices are blending with cutting-edge technology. This fusion is ushering in a new era of agricultural productivity and sustainability. Imagine farmers using smartphones to monitor their crops. Picture drones soaring over fields, providing real-time data on soil health. This is not a scene from a science fiction movie. It is the reality of modern agriculture in India. The integration of technology is not replacing traditional wisdom. Instead, it is complementing and enhancing it. Farmers are combining their ancestral knowledge with data-driven insights. This powerful synergy is leading to better decision-making and improved yields. At the heart of this agricultural revolution lies a wave of technological innovations. Precision farming techniques are empowering farmers to optimize every aspect of cultivation. Sensors and GPS technology are being deployed to monitor soil conditions. This data helps determine the precise amount of water and fertilizers needed. Artificial intelligence is playing an increasingly pivotal role. AI-powered platforms can analyze vast amounts of data, including weather patterns, soil health, and market prices, providing farmers with actionable insights. Drones equipped with cameras and sensors are becoming commonplace. They are used for tasks such as crop monitoring, pest detection, and even targeted spraying of pesticides. These advancements are not just improving efficiency, they are minimizing waste and reducing the environmental impact of agriculture. The Indian government has recognized the transformative potential of technology in agriculture and has launched several initiatives to support this digital revolution. Programs like the Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana aim to improve irrigation facilities and water use efficiency. The Soil Health Card scheme provides farmers with soil health assessments. These assessments enable farmers to make informed decisions about fertilizer application. The government is also promoting the use of digital platforms to connect farmers with markets. These initiatives are crucial in bridging the digital divide in rural India. They are ensuring that the benefits of technology reach even the most marginalized farmers. The government's commitment to innovation in agriculture is creating a conducive ecosystem for growth and development. While the future of Indian agriculture is bright, challenges remain. The impacts of climate change, such as unpredictable weather patterns and water scarcity, pose significant threats. However, technology is also emerging as a crucial tool in mitigating these challenges. Climate-smart agriculture practices, such as drought-resistant crops and precision irrigation, are being adopted to enhance resilience. Data analytics is helping farmers make informed decisions to adapt to changing climatic conditions. Another challenge is the fragmentation of landholdings in India. However, innovative solutions like farmer-producer organizations are emerging. FPOs allow smallholder farmers to pool their resources, access technology, and improve their bargaining power. The journey towards a sustainable and prosperous agricultural future in India is ongoing, with the continued embrace of technology, the support of the government, and the resilience of its farmers. India is poised to become a global leader in agricultural innovation and food security. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more updates on India's agricultural innovations.